A comet is made up of four basic parts. The nucleus is the main part of the comet. It's basically the chunk of rock, ice, and dust that flies around in space. When the comet approaches the sun, the immense heat from our favorite star melts those particles, which forms the coma. The coma is the area surrounding the nucleus. It's much bigger than the nucleus. While the nucleus is only about 10 kilometers across, the coma is 100,000 times its size, at being 1 million kilometers across. It's made up of water vapor, CO2, and other gases. Traveling behind the nucleus and the coma are the two tails, the ion tail and the dust tail. They are both massive, ranging from 100 million kilometers to 250 million kilometers long. The tails always face away from the sun because the solar winds are constantly pushing them away. And they always follow the coma because it's made up of the evaporated parts of the nucleus. The ion tail is made up of ions, and the dust tail is made up of microscopic dust particles. The tail grows bigger the closer to the sun it gets, and while the measurements are different for each comet as well as its position in orbit, it's about 10 million kilometers across the nucleus and 100 million kilometers long.